Morning class 6. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, 9th April 2021. Students, as you know that we have started chapter number 3, factors and multiples. Today we will do its related definitions. Today we will talk about factors, multiples, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, and twin primes. Okay, let's start with factors. If a number is divisible by another number without leaving a remainder is called factors of that number. For example, For example, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Students, have you noticed that I have uh, write the factors of 12 on the basis of table in which 12 occur. जब हम बात करते हैं फैक्टर्स की तो फिर हम फैक्टर्स में क्या देखते हैं कि सर्टन नंबर जिस नंबर का हम फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं वो कौन कौन से टेबल में अकर करता है, उसी बेस पे हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि फैक्टर्स सर्टन नंबर के क्या हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं फैक्टर्स चाहूँगी 5 का फैक्टर चाहिए तो मैं सोचूंगी फैक्टर्स ऑफ 5 विल बी 1 एंड 5 क्योंकि 5 सिर्फ 1 और 5 में आता है. ठीक है. मूव ऑन टूवर्ड्स मल्टीपल्स. When a number is divided by when a certain number is multiplied by a natural number, then the product is obtained is called its multiple. जब हम दो numbers को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, ठीक है, तो फिर उसके आंसर जो होता है वो उसका मल्टीपल कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल जितने भी हमारे टेबल्स हैं वो मल्टीपल की बेहतरीन एग्जांपल्स हैं. मींस जब हम 6 का टेबल राइट करते हैं, 6 वन ज़ार 6, 6 टू ज़ार 12, 6 थ्री ज़ार 18, 6 फोर ज़ार 24, 6 फाइव ज़ार 30 एंड सो ऑन. सो हम दर हकीकत 6 के मल्टीपल्स राइट कर रहे होते हैं कि मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6 आर 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. इसी तरह इफ़ वी वांट टू फाइंड द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2, then the multiples of 2 will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. In short, when we talk about multiples we are of certain number, we are talking about the table of certain number. Even numbers, as you know that number which are divisible by 2 are called even number. For example, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And same, the number which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. These are previous definitions which we already have done. So, this is just a revision. Now talk about prime numbers. Prime numbers are those which occur only their own table. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. They occur only in their own table or in the table of 1. Prime numbers have two factors, 1 and the number itself. And let's talk about composite number. Composite number, a number which occur in more than two tables are called composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, and so on. These are the number which occur in more than two tables, or they have more than two factors. For example, the factors of 2 will be factors of 4 will be 1, 2, and 4. Factors of 6 will be 1, 2, 3, and 6. So they have more than two factors. That's why they are composite number. They may composite means more than two. So the number which has more than two factors are called composite numbers. Okay, last we have twin prime. Twin prime. Twin means two. So prime numbers which occur at the difference of two numbers, जिन prime numbers के दरमियान टू का difference हो, वो twin prime कहलाते हैं. For example, 3 and 5, right? 3, 4, 5. It has two number difference, like 11 and 13. 11, 12, 13. It has two numbers difference. 61 and 41 and 43, and so on. So they are called twin prime. There is another term which you will used in exercise number 3b, that is prime triplet. Prime triplet means a prime numbers which have three number difference. So they are called prime triplet. These are the definitions which are included in your syllabus. Let me explain you that how you will write these definitions. You will prepare your page like you do. After that, you will from your book you will write the definition of factors. It is given on page number 33. A number that divides another number completely without leaving a remainder is called factor of that number. And then you will write their examples. You can write only two examples. Then we have definition of multiple. It is given on page number 36. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying that number by any natural number. And for example, you will write any table. You can write this table or any table. You can write any table as an example, or you can write example which I have given you. For example, you will write multiple of 6 is equals to 6, 12, 18, and so on. Then on page number 39, it's given the definition of even number. A number which is exactly divisible by 2 is a even number. You will write their definition, and then for example you will write this first line: 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are even numbers. That's all. Then you will write odd number. A number which is not divisible by 2 is an odd number. And for example, you will write 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 is an odd number. That's all. You don't need to write that line. You will write 1, 3, 5, and 7 are odd number. Then we have definition of prime number. A natural number that has only two distinct factors, namely 1 and the number itself, is a prime number. And for example, you will write the heading of example and then write 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11 are prime number. Then on page number 40, they have given you definition of composite number. A number which has more than two factors is a composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Right? Then on page number 41, they have given you heading definition of twin primes. Twin primes, you will write the heading of twin primes and then you will write this definition. Twin primes are pairs of prime number with a difference of 2. And then you will write this example. Right? That one. Now, prime triplet. A set of three successive prime numbers, the number differencing by 2, forms a prime triplet. Uh, this is definition of prime triplet. And example, the only known example of a prime triplet is 3, 5, and 7. Prime triplet have only one example. You will write that example. That's all. These are the definitions. You will write neatly on your notebooks. If you have any problem, you can ask.